crab with white rice today. So I'm cutting up my scallion and my onion. So my season have been already washed and my scallion and my onion have been stripped. So also I'm gonna put some thyme also into my curry crab. So I'm just gonna chop it up a little bit. So I'm also adding some ginger. Into the pot. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some of the curry to let the curry burn. 'Cause you know the saying in Jamaica, if you don't burn the curry, you can have running belly. So burning our curry. Then I'm gonna just start adding in our crab. I'm gonna stir it. That smells nice. Whoa! Pepper. So we're gonna cover our pot now. So the curry crab is coming on real fine. I'm just checking on it. Just give it a small stir. So I'm gonna be adding in now my rice. Then I'm gonna stir in a little bit and cover. Still checking on my crab. Rice. This is it, my curry crab with white rice. So If you like this video guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to like, share and comment and subscribe.